Hello everyone, my name is Srikanth. Welcome back to the channel. In previous video, we configured SCM boundaries and boundary groups and discovery methods and collections. Today's video, we'll install the SCM client on Windows 11 device and we'll verify that communicating successfully or not with the help with SCM. Before that, we need to configure the one separate virtual machine and we'll install the Windows 11 same configurations we did earlier while installing the DC and SCM application server. Same configurations we need to do that. Okay, changing the IP address and the firewalls and the network connectivity and renaming the host name, and we need to join the domain. Okay, once everything is done, next step is we need to deploy the SCM client with the help of the client push. Okay, for that first we need to verify that whether whatever the virtual machine we configured that is communicating with the primary site or not. We'll verify that, and also we need to one client push account to install. Okay, we'll do that, how we can able to set up that, and whatever the client push account we are installing, we are using, this client push account should be part of SCM like client device in administration. Okay, we'll verify that, and how we can add, we'll do that. Next, on primary side, whether the remote registry service is running or not, and also we'll configure the client push, we need to enable the client push as well from the primary side. We'll do that. Once that is done, we'll verify that whatever the Windows client we created, that client SCM client, okay, it is discovered in the primary site under the all devices or not. We'll verify that. Once the device is discovered in SCM, we'll deploy the SCM client with the help of the client push. Once that is done, we'll monitor the installation logs and we'll verify the SCM client. Once that client is healthy, then we'll initiate the hardware inventory as well, and we'll verify the status in the console. Okay, now we'll start the lab. Let's go to the virtual machine. Already turn on both primary side and domain controller. Now we need to create new virtual machine. Okay, now we'll create Windows 11 virtual machine. Okay, click on new. Here provide the virtual machine name. Here the where to give this virtual machine. Now select the ISO file. This is the ISO file for Windows 11. And check this box. Now don't decrease the RAM, because Windows 11 this is the minimum requirement. If you decrease the RAM, maybe it will get failed. Okay, if you want, you can increase as well. Now let's increase the hard disk. Click finish. And now let's start the Windows 11 virtual machine. Okay, now click on next. We click next. Go with the default settings, no need to change anything. Okay, I agree. Click on next. Now click on now select the hard disk. Okay, then click next. Okay, click next. device got rebooted. Now still installation is going on. Let's see, we'll wait and monitor it. Now Windows 11 installation is almost finished. Let me select the country. Click yes. Click yes. And skip it. Okay, for now select I don't have internet. We'll provide the host name. Okay, 301. I'll provide just C01. Next, provide the password. Confirm the same. Okay, you can select anything. Let me click next second question. Next. Yeah, always click on next. Okay. Okay, now Windows 11 is installed. We'll go one by one. The prerequisites, we need to do that. Okay. First, let's try to install the VirtualBox drivers. Okay. Click on devices and insert. Okay. Click this one. Install the 64-bit. Okay, click yes. Go with the default settings, no need to change anything. Okay, I will do the reboot later. We need to change the host name and we need to join the device to the domain. Okay, I will do that reboot later. Okay, open the file explorer and just right click and go to properties. Okay, once you open this PC properties, then you need to go to the system and rename this PC. Click on this one. Okay, we'll provide the name. Okay, click next. Okay, I will do the restart later. Click restart later. Now we need to configure the adapter settings, the network adapter settings. Let's go to control panel. Okay, network and internet. Now let's go to the network and sharing center. Okay, change adapter settings. Go to properties. Disable IPv6 and open IPv4. Select that. Now let's provide the IP address 10.10.10. Okay, I'm 11. I'm providing IP. Just click on the tab. Okay, DNS IP 10.10.1. Okay, click OK. Okay, close this one. Now we need to turn off the firewalls. Okay, in production, just we need to keep the firewalls on. Just we need to enable the required firewall ports. Okay, now here in the lab, let me turn off the firewalls. Click OK. Okay, now we rename the hostname as well. Let's test the communication between the primary site and the Windows 11 device. Okay, let's open CMD. Just ping primary site IP 10.10.10.2 is the primary site IP. Okay, we are able to successfully ping primary site and domain controller as well. Now let's join Windows 11 device to the domain. Same thing, like you need to go to the settings and that system, then you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see that. Okay, domain or work group. Okay, just click on that. Now it will go to click on change. Okay, now option is grayed out because we need to reboot first. Okay, let's reboot the device and we'll come back again. We'll change the domain. Let's reboot the Windows 11 virtual machine. Virtual machine is up now. Let's log into the virtual machine. Go to settings again. System. Scroll down completely. Click on about. Now scroll down. Okay, you can see the option domain. Okay, click on that. Now click on the change button. Now the option is enabled. Now click this one. Our domain name is MECM-to-Intune.com. Okay, click OK. Now everything is okay. Now we need to provide the password admin. Administrator password. Let's give the password as well. Click OK. Okay, now you can see that we are successfully joined Windows 11 device to the domain. Okay, now and also we need to reboot the device. Okay, let's reboot one more time. Windows 11. Restart now. Okay, now it restarted. Now we need to log in with the domain account. Okay, just we need to click on other user. Okay, just provide the admin account. it will take some time. It will configure the domain account profile, okay, so that it will take some time. Okay, now we have the full screen as well. Now let's go to settings and we'll verify the same. Okay, go to system again. You can see that, okay, the account name also is changed once you log into the domain account. And also now we need to make sure that client push account should be part of administrator group. Okay, let's go to computer management. I will explain you like why the client push account needed. Okay, before that we need to make sure that we are installing SCCM client with the help of the client push account. The client push account should be part of each and every device you are trying to deploy SCCM client with the help of the client push. Okay, that you need to configure the group policy, anything you need to, then you can do that. Okay, right click on the start menu and you can open the computer management from here. Open that. Okay, go to local users and groups. Go to groups and administrators. Okay, here administrator group already is there. Okay, same way like whatever the account we are using for the client push, okay, we need to add the account here in the administrator group, okay, in the Windows 11 device. Now our client side everything is done, like Windows 11 we install, everything is done. Now we need to go to server and we need to configure the remaining things. Up to here we already everything we did. Now next step is we need to go to SCCM console and we need to prepare SCCM primary site for the client push installation. Okay, we need to do few settings. Okay, we'll verify one by one. Okay, we'll verify that SCCM device we can able to connect the device and we are able to ping Windows 11 device, okay, from primary site as well. Okay, let's see. Now we need to configure we need to create the client push account. Okay, let's go to the primary site. Open the console. Now go to administration and site configuration, then select the sites. Now select the primary site here and go to, okay, client installation settings, then click on the client push installation, click on that. Okay, now we need to enable this client push. Okay, enable this one. Here you can able to restrict. If you want to enable the client push automatically from the servers or workstations, you can able to configure from here and click on account. Here this is the mandatory, like without account we cannot able to proceed the client push installation. It will throw an error. Okay, we need to provide the client push account. Okay, add new account. We don't have any separate account. We have only single account. Right? We are using the same in the production. You can have the multiple accounts. Okay, let's give the password. Click OK. Here installation parameters not providing anything, just click on apply. Now the client push configuration is completed successfully. Okay, and also like one more thing we need to do that for the client installation, we have after installing the primary site, it will automatically create one client package. Okay, go to software library, then click on the packages application management, then click on the packages. These are the default packages it will create automatically. If you install with the help of the client push account, the installation files will take from here. If this package is not distributed to the distribution point, the client push will fail. Okay, you need to make sure that this package is successfully distributed to the DPs or not. Okay, now the package also is distributed. Now let's see, like now we install the Windows 11, right? This Windows 11 device, it came to this domain controller or not, and once that is after that, we need to verify that in the primary side all devices whether it is discovered from the Active Directory or not. Let's go to the DC first. Domain controller, will verify that in the domain controller. Go to administrative tools and Active Directory users and computers. Okay, you can see that under the computers we got the C01 as a client computer. Okay, if you want you can verify anything here. Close. Now let's go to primary side and we'll verify whether it is discovered from the Active Directory or not. Okay, now go to assets and complaints, go to devices. In last video we already enabled the discoveries, right? Now still the primary side, like Windows 11 is not yet came. What we'll do, we'll forcefully initiate the discoveries. Okay, now let's go to administration. By default it will, as per the schedules we configured, it will automatically run every day. Okay, now let's run the discovery forcefully, like we need the device as soon as possible for testing, right? Now once we run the discovery, let's wait for a few minutes. Can verify the logs as well as we did in last class. This is the log. Okay, discovery started. Okay, now we have client device as well. You can see that it is got discovered P01. The log also you can able to verify that this is the host name it got discovered, and same we can see that in the all devices as well. Now we'll start installing the SCCM client. Okay, we'll try to install SCCM client on client 01. Okay, click on directly install, click next. Always select as the install shop client. Okay, now click next. That's it. From the console side we can verify the CCM log whether it is processed or not. Okay, just go to the logs, open the ccm.log. Under this, okay, if you see that the client push installation we applied. Now we need to go to the Windows 11 device and we need to monitor the client installation status there. Let's see. In client side we can see that CCM folder got created. Go to logs, ccm setup.log. Okay, further to read the log we need cm trace. So let me access the primary site, then we can copy cm trace. Let me try it from the primary. CCM trace will be there in the installation directory, configuration manager, tools. Okay, coming to the Windows 11 virtual machine. Now let's go to Windows 11. Execute the CM trace first. Click yes. Now let's go to Windows SCCM setup and logs. Directly right click and open with CM trace. Okay, this is the log. You can able to verify the client installation status. Okay, CCM setup.log. Okay, let's wait and monitor it. We initiated a SCCM client installation, but in CCM setup.log we can see the error. Okay, failed to connect the mission policy. Let's see why it is getting an error. Like in administrator, let's verify that normal administrator is there, but the client push account is not added. Okay, like we need to add the client push account, which is we provided under the primary site. Inside the primary site we provided the domain administrator, right? We need to provide the same here and we'll retry the installation. Okay, what is the account we provided for the client push account? Go to settings. Okay, sites and the client installation, client push installation account. Okay, MECM lab/administrator. This is the account we need to provide. But in the client device, MECM lab/administrator it is not there. Just it is a local administrator account is there. Okay, let's try to add the account which we used there. Okay, select object. And here we already selected the location domain. Now let's select the administrator. Okay, click OK. Now we can see that MECM lab/administrator. There are two different accounts. Just make sure that same account we need to provide here, the client push account. Just click on apply, click OK. Now we'll try to reinstall it. There are two ways to re-trigger the installation. One is we'll go to assets and complaints, and device we have the C01 is open. Okay, right click and try to install. Okay, click on always install, click next, click next. We can see that in ECM log as well. Is there any errors are there? We can see that as well here. Installation is triggered. Now let's go to the Windows 11 device. We'll open the CCM setup.log. Okay, the fresh installation still not started yet. Let's see. I think now installation went further. Okay, what is the little bit changes I did? Okay, under the network adapter settings. Okay, just I provided the default gateway. Okay, under the properties IPv4 I provided the default gateway as a 1. Okay, after that I try to restart SMS CCM setup.exe on client side. Now it went further. Okay, now client installation is started. Okay, just make sure that these are the things you need to verify. This is the way you can able to troubleshoot as well. Let's see, let's wait and monitor it. Okay, now we can see that CCM setup exit code is 0. Now means successfully installed. CCM client is successfully installed. Now if we see that, if I refresh it, the CCM setup exe will disappear. Okay, now let's refresh. You can see that CCM setup file it is. Now we can see that SMS agent host is started. Means like once SCCM client is installed, okay, we can see that SCCM agent, okay, running. Now let's go to the Windows. Okay, you can see that, but two more extra folders got created, CCM and CCM cache as well. Okay, let's go to the CCM. We can verify the few more logs. Okay, there are different ways to we can verify that whether the SCCM client is installed successfully or not. Okay, first thing is we need to go to the services whether SMS agent host is running and automatic or not. Okay, once that is done, then we need to go to control panel. Okay, under the control panel, under the security, scroll down, you can see that configuration manager. Okay, under the configuration manager, just open the configuration manager, just go, directly go to actions. Okay, initially the actions will display only 2. Okay, once this device is like Windows 11 client device will come, once started communicating to the primary side, we can see the remaining actions as well. Initially we can see that only 2 actions. If it is only 2 actions, means SCCM client is not yet healthy, not yet communicating, not properly communicating with the primary side. Okay, just now we reinstall the client, right? That's why it is taking, it will take some time to reflect remaining actions as well. Okay, in this scenario, like if you are facing only, if you are seeing continuously, if you are seeing only 2 actions, then what are the logs? We can verify that under the same Windows CCM logs. Under that we can verify that client ID manager dot log. Okay, let's open that. This one, this is the log. We can able to verify the registration process whether it is properly communicating initially with the primary side and management point or not. See, initially client is not registered. Okay, client is not registered. This is the GUID for the each and every client device. You can able to see the GUID. Okay, same GUID, you can see the GUID here, and also you can able to see the under the configuration manager, you can see the each and every client device, each and every device we have the GUID as well. Okay, you can able to refer this as well. Client registration not registered, client registration is pending. Okay, now here it is, we can see that client is registered, and we can see that everything. Okay, the site code also it got changed. Initially it is site code was none, it is changed to PRI. That is our primary site code. Okay, see that primary site code as well. Let's close this one and try to reopen it. If we can see that remaining actions as well. If no, like we need to wait and watch, because the registration is completed right now, right? Maybe it will take some time. And also we can verify that softwares, and once the client is installed, we can see that one of the tool like software center, like whatever the applications or any packages, anything if you are deploying, we can able to see the graphically under the software center. Okay, if you are keeping softwares are available to the user, okay, they can come here in the software center, they can able to install manually whenever they need it. as of now nothing is displayed here. Like going forward, we can see that applications, if you deploy any applications available mode, you can see that, and updates as well, operating system, and any installation. If you click on install, then you can able to see that all installation things. Okay, these are the basic things. You can able to verify that as well. Let's close this. Let's verify again the configuration manager. Let's see. Still 2 actions. Let's wait few more minutes. Okay, still we can see that only 2 actions. Okay, once I added upload, but this upload status is not approved. Okay, why it is? Let's go to administration and the sites, and select the primary site. Then after that, hierarchy settings. Under the hierarchy setting, we need to change to automatically approve. Okay, earlier it was there automatically approve computers trusted in the domain controllers. Let me change to all. Okay, just I clicked on apply. Let's go to Windows 11 device again. Try to restart SMS agent host service. Go to services. SMS agent host, restart it. Now let's wait and monitor it. Under the primary site also we can see the registration process. Okay, we need to go to the C drive and the program files, then SMS_CCM. Just open that, go to logs, then MP_registration manager. You can see that. Okay, same GUID, you can able to see that the registration process completed. This is the GUID, our client GUID. Okay, we can see that registration is completed. Okay, let's wait and monitor it. Okay, now it came to approved stage. Earlier it was not approved, and now it is approved. Now let's go to Windows 11 device and we'll monitor further. Okay, now let's go to control panel and verify the configuration settings. This one, reopen it again. Till only 2 actions. Let's see. Okay, we can see that inventory also, hardware inventory also started executing. Okay, you can see that. And also inventory successfully sent to MP as well. Okay, now why still only 2 actions? Let's see, let's reopen it again. Okay, now we have each and every actions. Okay, this is the way, like you can able, if all actions are there, then only we can able to see, we can say that SCCM client is healthy and up and running. And also you can verify the logs as well. If any errors are there, you can able to verify the logs. Okay, now next step is we'll try to initiate the hardware inventory as a. Okay, let's go to hardware inventory, click on run now. For this hardware inventory we have one log. Okay, inventory agent.log. That is the only log we can able to verify that for hardware inventory and software inventory. Okay, inventory is initiated. Okay, now it is sent to management point. Management point it will process and it will send to primary site, and the primary site will process it and it will store in the primary site database. Okay, now let's go to the primary site. On the console, still you cannot see that hardware scan is not updated yet. Okay, let's refresh it. Let's see if it is updated or not updated yet. Okay, you can see that green color as well, but client hardware inventory is still not updated yet. Okay, let's see. If you want to verify a few more details, right click on the client device and go to start on Resource Explorer. Okay, under the hardware, you can able to see that any hardware inventory, if it is successfully executed, see now the hardware inventory just now initiated. Okay, it got reflected. Let's refresh. Still few more fields are came. Let's refresh one more time. Okay. Everything reflected here. You can see that workstation, like this is the hardware inventory status. Okay, now you can see that. Let me refresh it again. We can able to see the hardware inventory updated date as well here. Still not came, not sure why, but it will take some time. But inside the Resource Explorer, we can able to see that hardware inventory okay, hardware scan is updated. Okay, now we did successfully install the client push installation, and also we did verify the logs as well, and we verified the client status, and we initiated the hardware inventory as well, and we verify the status in the console. In the Resource Explorer, we did verify that. Okay, now everything is running. Now we successfully installed SCCM client, and we verified our SCCM client is communicating with management point. Okay, now in the next video we'll try to deploy any application to this Windows 11 device. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.